I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta Kavita kitchen step by step. Gather ingredients and set a pot of salted water to boil, then preheat a large pan on medium heat. Chop garlic and tomatoes finely and measure your pasta serving. Keep a mug of pasta water handy to loosen the sauce later. Work steadily and taste as you go to balance salt and herbs for a flavorful finish. Warm a generous splash of olive oil and gently sauté garlic until it perfumes the pan, then add chopped tomatoes and let them soften. Stir occasionally while simmering so flavors deepen and any acidity mellows. Season early and adjust near the end, tasting for balance. When pasta is almost ready, reserve some cooking water and add a little to the sauce, which helps the sauce cling to the noodles perfectly. Boil your pasta just until al dente and immediately transfer it to the sauce rather than draining completely. Toss vigorously in the pan so the starches and reserved water bind the sauce to each strand. Add fresh basil or parsley at the end to keep flavors bright, and grate cheese over while tossing for creaminess. Plate gently and finish with a light drizzle of olive oil for shine and aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.